teacher.
Hello, my dear. Happy Tuesday.
Hello, teacher. Today is
Hi.
lunch.
Yeah. Thank you, my dear. But can you see me clearly?
Yeah, I see you clearly.
Wow. Can you hear me well, my dear?
Yeah,
Okay, wow. So how are you today, my dear?
I'm fine, teacher. How are you today?
I'm good, my dear. But I like your, what do you call that one? Headband?
Yes, right.
Headband, right?
Yes.
Wow.
So looking like
What's that, my dear? Is that a strawberry?
no cherry,
A
cherry.
cherry. Wow, cherry. Do you like cherry?
No, it's I don't like the cherry because
Oh,
it's sour.
sour?
Yes,
Really?
cherry.
Oh, I have never tried eating cherry before.
Really?
I have never tried eating cherry before.
Ah,
Yeah, I don't know the taste of it.
I, I like cherry. This
Strawberry. Wow. So that's your favorite fruit, my dear?
has my favorite fruit is strawberry and oh, I think just strawberry. Ah,
Ah,
mango, green mango.
oh yes, green mango. Wow. Did you dip it with soy sauce and vinegar?
Oh, so yes, right. Vietnam Vietnam sauce.
Wow, with chili?
Oh, really? Right. Do you know?
Yes, I like that, my dear. Yeah,
So do you
I think
know
it's a season of mango here in the Philippines.
that uh sour mango eat with sauce of Vietnam. So delicious.
Oh, wow. Do you know turnip, my dear?
No, I don't know.
Turnip, this one. I'm going to. It is paired with uh mango. This one.
I don't see. Yes, I
This
see.
one, my dear.
I know.
Yeah, just like this
Ah,
one.
I often eat it in summer. So cool.
Summer.
Yes.
Ooh, it is a season of mango and turnip here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Oh, yes, and I just ate mango with soy sauce and chili last week.
No, in Philippines, do you have it summer? Right?
Some yes, my dear. Today is it's summer in the Philippines, especially March.
I
Month,
see. Oh. In
yes.
Philippines have do you have?
Yes, summer. We only have two seasons, my dear. The dry and wet season.
Oh.
So the dry season, it is the summer.
Uh,
Yes.
the summer, we often eat many fruits.
Oh, yes, during summer, right?
Yes. I like I like fruit juice such as orange juice.
Orange juice. Oh, wow. How about water, my dear?
Okay. No. Cold water.
Did you drink plenty of water today?
Yes, I
Wow.
drink. I drink it. drunk, drunk.
Uh-huh. Wow, that's good. You're good, my dear. You're very obedient. Do you know
That.
obedient?
Oh, I know.
Okay. Yes, so how about your favorite season of the year? In Korea, my
Mm,
dear.
season.
In Korea, what's your favorite season of the year?
Oh, actually, mm, I just feel winter and uh, spring and mùa đông mùa thu này
Winter, spring.
and autumn.
I see autumn.
Autumn. Summer I don't try.
Ah.
Summer because I just go Korea for 6 months, no 5 months.
I see. You've stayed in Korea for about 5 months, so you haven't
That
experienced summer yet?
that
Oh, but you will experience it this year.
now um uh next 2 months, next 2 months I it is summer. I will experience.
Oh, so summer in Korea will be in the month of April?
Oh, I think it's the end of April. I think
April?
the end. That's the end of April.
Oh, wow. I thought it will be in March, Miss Year. The month
March, I
of
think
March?
March. I think this in March is spring.
Spring?
That's
Oh. So from January to March, it is spring?
I think the end of April. So
Mm-hmm.
the transfer is transferring to the summer, right?
Mm-hmm.
But
I see.
I think this time it is quite quite warm. The end of the April.
I see. So this month, it is still winter in Korea, right?
That's
Oh, I think the summer will start in June, my dear.
mm-hmm.
The
I think
start
I
in Korea. Let me search on the internet.
in May. I think in May this uh, transferring to summer. It's
Mm-hmm. I see spring, March to May, summer, June to August, autumn, September, winter, December to February. Oh, that's the four
ah teacher,
seasons. Uh huh.
teacher. I am planning to open cookie shop.
Can you say it again, my dear?
Uh, I am planning to open cookie shop. It's next day.
Can you say it one more time, my dear? I can't hear you clearly.
Oh, you you can hear clearly.
I can hear you now,
Huh?
my dear. Can you say it one more time?
Yes. I'm planning
Uh huh. I'm planning.
open cookie shop in the next Sunday.
I'm planning to open
Cookie.
Beauty
Milk, milk,
meal
milk.
milk tea?
Yes,
Milk tea shop?
yes.
When, my dear?
Next Sunday. I think next week.
Ah, next
Uh,
week.
but I just take away and shipping to other people. I
Oh,
don't
okay. Wow.
I don't like I don't buy uh I don't buy the name. Liquid. I don't like liquid.
Can you say it one more time, my dear? I don't like.
Free with me.
Okay.
I just buy online.
Ah, online. Okay, so you will sell that milk tea.
Oh yes.
Okay. What did you say, my dear? What did you say?
Oh I after so it's but I I I I quite sad.
So you will open your own milk tea shop.
Just online shop.
Ah, online shop. So people will order your milk tea online.
That's right. I think
Okay,
I just
so
sell it in Facebook.
okay, wow. But only in Korea, my dear.
That's in Korea. In Korea.
I thought I can order it online.
Because in Vietnam,
Uh-huh.
before in Vietnam, I had coffee, coffee and tea soap. Um, ah, coffee, small coffee and tea soap in Vietnam. For
Small coffee.
that small coffee and tea soap in Vietnam.
Wow, small coffee shop in Vietnam.
That's right.
Oh, you opened it before?
That's before I starting before I am starting a boss. I I uh, I opened the small shop.
Hmm. Okay, can you wait for me?
I don't know. I don't think really.
Okay, you can see me, my dear.
Yes.
How about now?
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, can you see me, my dear? Okay, so before when you were in Vietnam, you tried to open a coffee shop?
Yes.
Oh,
No,
but how did you sell it, my dear? Did you make that coffee?
I make I make it myself. So
Mm-hmm.
that I will sell it for other people. Um, I do it. My roommate.
Mm-hmm.
My roommate. We uh we plan to open it together.
Oh.
To roommate friends.
Mm-hmm.
Will marketing in Facebook on Facebook. So and he I will cook I will cook and make juice and other things.
Wow. So you will make your own milk tea and then you will post it online?
That's like
Oh, wow. That's a good idea, my dear. I think you will be a great business woman in the future.
Oh, when I start to go Korea, I I have planned to open, but no, I quite scared now, but now I haven't to make friends, so
Mhm.
I feel comfortable and I feel
Confident?
comfortable to yes, confident. I have a confidence to open it.
Oh, wow. That's a good idea, my dear.
Yes,
Yes.
I scare that I can to sell it.
No, my dear. Okay, you will start first with small amount of coffee, milk tea. You will sell, for example, you will make 20 milk tea and then you will try it. What do you call that study? Uh, like, do you know pilot testing, my dear?
I don't
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Pilot testing.
Hello test.
Di-
Yes. This week I am testing.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I have
Mm-hmm.
this week. This week I am
Oh,
testing it
this week.
this week
Okay, so this week you will test
and that
your.
ah I just have a picture such this it is just my tea.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let me see the milk tea.
I can eat.
Oh, wow. It looks yummy, my dear. I like the flower.
Oh,
Yeah.
but this is my cup my cup when I tell you I I I just use plastic cup
Mm-hmm.
plastic cup.
Yes, and I think you are good at arts, right? You can make a design, my dear, like it's your signature design.
Oh,
Like
I think
only you can make. For
I think
example,
I think signature I think after
after, or you can draw something on plastic cups, right?
ah I design I design is logo.
Logo. So you will print a logo on that cup.
Yes. Do you know
Mm.
Canva?
Yes, my dear Canva. It's an
I
application, right?
that's right. I
Mm-hmm.
decided my logo in on the Canva.
Oh, I see. So, but you can also, uh, what do you call this one? You can draw
So I think mm,
using
mm,
marker. Okay. Green card. And can you hear me, my dear?
yes, I can
Okay.
hear.
Oh,
I think I take a green or white color.
I see. Green or white color of cups?
Yes, I think that.
Green. Oh, I think it's better, my dear. Because your milk tea is color white, and then you
Mm.
have green cup with a
Oh, well,
logo.
so I think his is green is the best choice.
Mm-hmm. Yes. You are good at arts, so I think you can visualize it.
Um, maybe, maybe.
Yes, that's good, my dear, because it's very important to make your own product beautifully. Like you need in
Yeah.
selling your products.
Mm.
Yes, because people would see your product as something new, right? It's
Uh-huh.
like they haven't seen it before. So if it is unique, then they would try it, especially if it is uh, amazing. Okay, so what have you decided on what to call your milk tea? Like love milk tea? Or just a normal milk tea?
I have decided. Not sure. I'm not sure.
But do you want to name your own product like uh, milk to me?
Three sisters. Name is Three Sisters
I
because
see. So,
I do eat with the by the milk.
oh, okay. The three of you?
Hmm. You? No.
Two?
I don't know. Hmm. I don't know. I don't have an idea.
Oh, okay. How about the name of your shop, my dear?
Ah, Three Sisters.
I see. That's the name of your shop,
Yeah.
your milk tea shop. And then, how about your milk tea? Like a normal milk tea, a vanilla flavor?
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
that's my tea. Oh, you know, matcha latte and
I see.
just pure, pure, like pure. Mm,
I
Pearl. Yeah, pure.
pearl, pearl.
That's my
I see pearl.
pearl.
Ooh,
Pearl. With the milk.
pearl. I see. Like the circle, right? The small
Yeah,
circles. Oh, I think it's sweet, right? The
that's
pearl,
like
sweet.
uh fresh milk, fresh milk with the brown sugar. The
Brown pearl. Wow.
brown sugar.
Brown sugar? You will use brown sugar?
That's brown sugar. I think this pure so sweet, so sweet.
I see. So you will have a sweet milk tea.
Uh, do you try Vietnamese? Right?
Oh, no, my dear. I have never tried Vietnamese milk tea.
Uh, maybe I, I, I don't know available for you because uh, each country mm,
Mhm.
have other few.
Or maybe, my dear, do you know? Maybe if your business will be successful, you can make your own branch here in the Philippines and I will manage it for you.
I don't have one.
Yes, maybe, my dear.
Maybe I
Mm.
okay. Now I don't have a thing. Uh,
Can you say it again?
Now I don't have a thing. I don't have a many things in the future for the future.
I see. So let's hope for uh positive things, my dear, that it will be successful.
Um, Actually, I don't know. I don't have enough confidence. I I
I see. So you lack in confidence?
uh, uh I ask for year
Hmm.
ask
After?
like a lack of confidence.
Mm, yes, lack of confidence. Oh, yes. So you need to first uh enjoy. You need to enjoy your process of making your milk tea, my dear. Just enjoy it. Don't take it as a burden. Like you are just trying something new. You are enjoying everything and you are happy, my dear. Because I think if you are happy, of course, you will be
I just
successful.
want that I just want to try.
Mhm.
I want to try in Korea. Hmm. Because I feel in Korea the drinks at here don't available for Vietnamese people. So I think I can try it.
Yes, exactly, my dear. So when Vietnamese people tried drinking your milk tea, of course, they will endorse or they will introduce your milk tea to their friends, and then their Korean friends will try it and they will visit your shop every day. Do you want to have your own shop, my dear? Like, not just online?
Oh, the first time just I just sell online. But I don't have no idea.
Oh, I have no idea.
That, hmm, I have
Oh,
no idea.
yes. But I think, for example, Miss Year, your milk tea will be successful. You can build your own milk tea shop.
Hmm.
But I think it you need to invest some money, right?
Just so many, so much money. I
Yes,
think I have
because yeah.
like
Uh-huh.
now. I don't know. Actually, after starting abroad in Korea, I will come back Vietnam. I I don't want to stay up here.
I see. You don't want to stay in Korea?
Yeah, because I feel to remember my mother and my family.
I see. So I think you need to save money
That's
and
sao á
then
mở cửa chắc dễ thôi.
you need to save money and after that you can go back again
Yeah.
to Vietnam. So you have a visitor right now? You have a visitor?
Mm, Different.
You have, ah, yes. I think your friend is.
My friend invite my home.
I see.
You know, the two friend I invite my friend to go to try new tea.
I see. That's good. Are they Vietnamese too?
That's Vietnamese.
Ooh, I
My
see.
Myanmar friend is go home in Thailand. So I we don't stay in at here.
I see. Wow. So they will try your milk tea.
Hmm. Yes, I I am waiting. I am waiting. Come back.
Oh, wow. I wish I can try your milk tea too.
I have to give for people to try it. So then I will decide later.
I see. So they will try different milk tea and
Yes,
then they will choose what's best.
yes. Actually, I confident about that my tea. I feel that it's so delicious for Vietnamese.
Oh, how about Korean people, my dear? Do you have a Korean friend?
Oh, I have a I will give her for my both try it.
I see. Your boss will try your milk tea.
Yes, I will give for them.
I see. How about your coworkers, my dear? Maybe you can ask them to
Of
try your
course,
milk tea.
of course. Oh, I think I but
What?
at in Korea and
Mhm.
in Korean people and Vietnamese people other few other.
Mm. So I think it's good to test. Okay, so are you now ready for, yes, our class, my dear? So
Yes,
let's have, okay, let's have a dialogue practice.
yes, teacher.
Okay. So my dear, you will be Tom and I will be Kate.
Oh, yes, I know.
Okay.
Test how far is it from the house to work?
It's about 3 kilometers. How about you?
It's about 15 kilometers.
Ooh, that's too far. How do you go to work?
Go to work by bus.
Oh, how long does it take you to get to work?
It's like 50 minutes. Minutes.
Oh, okay. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Minutes.
Minutes. Yes.
Okay, very good, minutes. Okay, so this time, my dear, you will be Kate and I will be Tom. Okay, so Kate, how far is it from your house to work?
It's about 3 kilometers. How about you?
Ooh, it's about 15 kilometers.
That's too far. How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Long does it take to get to work?
It takes 15 minutes. Wow, very good, my dear. But how about you, my dear me? How far is it from your house to your work?
Ah, 7 kilometers. It's about
Oh,
7 kilometers. So far, teacher.
yes, my dear, that's too far. But how do you go to work?
Uh, I I go to work by electric bicycle.
Oh, I see. But how long does it take you to get to work?
I take 30 minutes.
Oh, so that's far, my dear. You need to travel 7 kilometers?
So I feel so tired, teacher.
Ah, yes. Especially that you are traveling at dawn, right?
Door. I don't know. Please with me. Door. Right.
Mhm. Dawn?
Dawn.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, dawn.
Mm-hmm.
No, I going down so late, teacher.
So, so morning.
And
It's
no,
already morning?
no. I I don't see it because I sleep because I wake up too late.
I see. Wow. So I think it's tiring, right?
Already
It's tiring.
tiring.
Mm-hmm.
Tiring. Ah, yes.
Mm-hmm. It's tiring.
Tiring or tired, teacher.
I see. Tired is when you feel like you are tired. Tired. I feel tired after exercising in the morning. It
Ah,
is tiring exercising in the morning.
ah. I know. I understand.
Okay. So, yes, it's very inconvenient to travel.
But
Hmm.
glad in the I will have much time to travel with my roommate.
Yeah. So, are you the
Yes.
one driving
Can
your?
you see? Can you see again? Can you see clearly? Teacher.
Okay. One more time, AJ. Are you the one who drives your electric bike, or is it your friend?
Yes,
Okay, one more
teacher.
time.
Can you clearly?
Okay. One more time, AJ. Are you the one who drives your electric bike, or was it your roommate?
No. I I go a lot. I go a lot.
I go a lot.
Yes. Because my roommate has other bicycle.
I see. So you are driving your own electric bike?
That's right.
Oh.
This person has a bicycle too.
I see. So you are driving alone?
That's right.
Oh. Is it traffic to travel, especially at 6 meter?
Oh, but no. In Korea, don't have a traffic jam because people at here you use the train and bus.
I see. Okay, can I excuse myself, my dear? I need to go to the comfort room.
Ah, yes, teacher. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Hello, my dear. Okay, so next, my dear. Mm, okay, can you please read this one? How far is it?
Oh, Papa, is it from the house to book? I,
It's about,
it's about 5 kilometers.
okay, how do you go to work?
Uh, I go by motorbike.
Mm-hmm. How long does it take you to get to work?
It takes 20 minutes.
Oh, 20 minutes?
20 minutes. And
Ah.
this book is so difficult.
Why, my dear?
Because I I often practice minutes.
I often
I often read it by minutes.
minutes.
20
I
minutes, right?
can you say it again, my dear?
He is practice. Tidak,
Okay. Minutes.
is ini practice.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to.
minutes,
Can you hear the sound, my dear?
minutes,
Yes. Like
Mm-hmm.
minutes,
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 minute,
Minutes.
like
Okay, one more time, my dear.
minute,
minutes, right?
Yes, yes. Okay, it's okay, my dear. All right, so let's go to the next slide. On the phone. Yes, you're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. Do you know that song?
No, I don't
Taylor?
know.
Do you know Taylor Swift?
Taylor Swift.
Uh huh, Taylor Swift.
I know, I know. She's so famous, right?
Uh huh, uh huh.
Swift, Taylor
Uh,
Swift.
Taylor
I know.
Swift.
I
Do you
know.
know her song? What's the title of that song? You belong
I
with me.
belong with me.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
You
I
belong
know.
with me. You belong with me.
Well, I know this song, and
Yeah. Yes. Oh, you're on the phone with the first stanza or lyrics of that song. You're on the phone with your girlfriend. I really like that song.
hmm, I don't like um, other country because I don't understand it.
I see. So maybe you can try listening to English song, my dear, so that you can also practice your English, like the
No,
pronounce,
no.
like the pronunciation of your voice or the pronunciation of every word.
Um, I will try. I will try to.
Yes, it's okay, my dear. Okay, so let's go to the first picture. What can you see, my dear?
Yes, I can see.
Mm-hmm. Can you please tell me what can you see in the picture? What are they doing?
Uh, they are
They,
mixing and and they staying with the staying together.
okay. They are talking with each other.
Oh, okay. Talking
Mm,
together.
yes, saying hello. Hello, how are you? Yes. Okay. What's this? Cotton tub.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Say teacher. Speak.
Yes. Meaning good day or afternoon, my dear. It's a German greeting that means good day or good afternoon or hello.
Oh,
Yes, it's a German, my dear. Good morning
German.
in yes, German. Mm. Okay, so what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
I think talk, talk, or speak, or say.
Yes, speak. Very good. Wow. So, can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word speak, my dear?
Uh, I I need to speak with my manager about this issue. Issue.
Issue?
That
Issue? Can you say it one more time, my dear? Issue.
issue.
Mm. So, you need to talk about the issue?
I need to see my my manager about this issue.
Oh, wow. Can you tell me what kind of issue is it, my dear? Can you tell me what's the issue all about?
No, actually, I don't have an issue.
Okay. Maybe you can say, uh,
That's
oh,
my phone, my hair phone.
I see. Okay. It's okay, my dear. So, you can make issue about about love life, maybe.
About my is money.
Ooh, money. Okay, my dear, next. What is he doing? Shh, stop. Stop, look, and listen. Okay. Okay, what is he doing, my dear?
No,
Mm-hmm.
continue now.
Uh-huh.
Now continue.
Okay, what is he doing, my dear? Hmm.
I I see you.
I see. I'm sorry, I forgot. I forgot to share my screen. Okay.
I don't see a screen.
Okay. Okay, what is he doing, my dear?
Oh, she is listen your phone. Listen his phone. Right?
Mm-hmm. He is listening to his phone.
Mm, yes.
Can you say it one more time, my dear? He is listening to.
Oh, he is listening his phone.
Oh, very good. He is listening. Okay. And you need to stop. Stop, stop. Uh-huh, stop. So what do you think is the vocabulary word?
I don't know.
Can you guess, my dear? Any guess? Hmm.
I have no idea.
Okay. Let's see, my dear, what's the vocab? Oh, hold on.
Oh, hold on.
Yes, hold on. For example, someone is talking and then, oh, okay, hold on.
Uh,
Hold on
hold
or
on.
just wait. Something like this, my dear.
Just wait. Ah,
Okay, hold on or just wait.
hold on.
Yes, hold on.
Hold on. Oh, teacher. So hold. Just hold. Same. Is same keep. Right?
Can you say it one more
Hold.
time, my dear?
Hold. Just hold.
Uh-huh, yes, hold, my dear.
Keep. Right.
Can you say it one more time?
Hold on.
Uh-huh, hold on.
Different from hold. Right.
Different from hold?
Hold. That's right.
Ah, yes, my dear. Hold is when you hold something, right? Hold. When
Oh.
you hold something, and hold on, meaning you need to wait or you need to grasp. You need to wait, you need to stop. Like it has different meaning, my dear.
Hmm.
Yes. It depends on the sentence.
Oh. I know. I know. I know.
Okay. Hold on.
Don't.
Okay, so can you please make a sentence using the phrase hold on, Miss Yu?
Oh. Hold on to the railing when you climb the stairs.
When you climb,
Oh. Climb. When you climb the
when you
stairs.
climb,
Hold on to the railing.
railings, this one.
Railing. That's right.
Oh, railing,
Railing. Oh, railing. Hold on to the railing when you climb the stairs.
stair, stair, this one, my dear.
That's stairs.
Oh, yes, you need to hold on the railings when you climb the stair, when you want to climb, because you might get hurt, right?
That's
Okay. Next idea. Wow, 15 minutes left. Okay, what can you see in the next picture, my dear?
no. I don't see.
This one, my dear, you can see the screen.
Hmm. I see clear, but this is hold on to it.
Uh-huh. After hold on.
After hold on. No. After hold
Oh,
on is ah.
okay.
I see now. Now I see.
Okay. What can you see in the next picture, my dear?
Oh, the next picture. I think this is the clock. 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 Teacher. Teacher.
Oh, yes, clock, very good. Clock, tick. Okay, so what can you see, my dear?
No. Now I see it.
Okay. What can you see? Tick
Yeah.
tock, tick tock.
Clock
Mm-hmm.
minutes
How many minutes, my dear?
15. 15.
Yes. Okay, 15 minutes left.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Đâu rồi?
Ah, something's wrong with. Hmm. Can you hear me, my dear?
Yes, I
But
can hear.
can you see me?
Yeah. No.
I see. How about now? Okay. So what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
I think vocabulary at here is minutes.
Yes, minute. Okay, so my dear, can you please make a sentence using the vocabulary word minute?
Yes, it's
Mm-hmm.
hmm. The meeting will start in 5 minutes.
Ooh, I thought it's 10 minutes.
10 minutes. No,
5 minutes? Okay. But I will be late in 5 minutes.
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, how about next, my dear?
Gì đấy?
What can you see in the picture?
Yes, the teacher.
What is he
Clock.
doing?
I
Yeah.
I stand and a clock and a
Mm-hmm.
bag.
Okay. What is he doing, my dear?
I don't know. Ah,
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
and is
Mm-hmm.
at the clock.
Mm-hmm. And what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
I don't know the vocabulary.
But can you guess?
Hmm?
But can you guess the vocabulary?
Um,
It's
hour.
okay. Let's see.
Mm, at the moment.
Yes, at the moment. Okay, can you please make a sentence using the phrase at the moment, my dear?
At the moment, or I'm busy at the
Mm.
moment. Right.
Yes, I'm busy studying at the moment.
It's okay.
Yes, it's okay, my dear. All right, so you did well today, my dear me. Yes, you were able to make sentences using the phrases and vocabulary words, and you were able to answer my questions. Very good, my dear. And enjoy your day today.
Yeah,
I hope you will be successful in your business. Yay!
I hope true. I hope true.
Yes, I'm sure, my dear, you will be successful. Okay. Goodbye, my dear me. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. And don't skip your dinner.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to eat, Miss dear. All right. Bye bye, my dear.
Bye bye, teacher. Thank you,
Have a
teacher.
nice day.